Let's count. 1, 2, 3.
Hello! So today, we're doing gender reveal. So again, ay, na-blow na ito ni Chapoy. Oh. Baby! So, I have the balloon here na may question mark. Tapos may confetti and the color na blue and pink. So, may result na kami ng gender reveal from the test that we took like when we are 2 months pregnant. Let's check. Wait. It's just an extra with the chromosomal thingy. Na test. So wait. So the prequel chromosomes 13, 18, and 21 plus sex chromosome analysis by myriad result is andito na, and normal naman ang CFF DNA screening, so normal ang chromosomes defect screening, and this includes the fatal sex on the report. So hindi pa namin to na-open, hindi pa na-open in Chapoy, hindi ko pa din na-open. So I will open it first para ma-surprise si Chapoy kung anong gender, but yeah, ako yung unang makaka-know ng gender. So let's see. Any gender will be okay. Basta healthy si baby. Let's see. Oh my gosh. So normal CFF DNA screening, fatal sex is disclosed in this report. So chromosome 13 negative, chromosome 18 negative, chromosome 21 negative. Sex chromosome. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh. He will be surprised. Oh my gosh. Wala din siyang gustong gender, basta healthy si baby. Pero, oh my gosh, this is more accurate yata because it's checked by blood, hindi yung check like by ultrasound. So it's an early detection extra lang ng chromosomes defect test. So oh my gosh, it's the first time that I saw the result. Oh my gosh. Okay. So as early as 8 weeks, pwede na yatang ma-detect kung yung sa chromosomal defect tsaka sa gender ng baby. Okay, now I know the result. Let us put the confetti, yung mga yung mga bilog-bilog, what do you call this? The No. Balloon tassel. Confetti packs. Inside, so si Jepoy ay magugulat to know the gender, but I won't show you too because he should be the one to know first. We should be the one to know first, pero ako yung pinaka nauna and I was surprised. Kaya hindi ko gina expect. So, he don't want me to blow because so my blue and my pink, then confetti na blue and pink na isasabit later. Not yet! Okay, see you later. Binublow niya na. He will be
More
surprised. Yes, because the question mark is big, you know. Oh my gosh. I will be kibot also.
Okay na?
The question
More
mark.
pa?
Hindi na lang pag-imore. Itap to na. Oh my gosh. It's so
Okay na?
big. Tama na.
Anong gibutan ko din?
It should be so big. Big do kala ito lukon sa video gamay.
Yung ba? Kuha ko na ma.
Ang color. Ang color eh.
Okay na? Bawa na? Wala ko na sawo.
Okay. Okay.
Ako kasi mo siya. Yeah. Kasi lumupo pa ni Karo. Wala rin sa ano.
Kasi makibot ba natin mga neighbors may lumupok. So,
Wala
why?
rin sa higot.
Wala.
Kasi lumupo.
Kasi lumupok. Yung bibang ano, makibot at mga neighbors may naglupok di. Yan ang ginamay mo na.
Ha? Paano mga kibot sila kay... Oh, paano mga ibutan?
Sino ko mabilang. Kaya na.
Okay na. Okay. Alright! So, tayo ay magre-reveal na ng gender ni baby. So, nandito na yung gender ni baby sa loob. So, kahit anong gender, it's okay as long as our baby is healthy. So,
Question mark.
kayo muna. So, which one do you want? Which gender do you think? So,
What's the gender?
Yeah, what's the gender of our baby? So, what do you think? So, comment down below.
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready? Are you ready, mommy?
Itaas mo, yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, para makita ang ano. Nagka-peri.
Okay.
Ah, not ready.
Kita
Mas
niya,
makibot
tanobe,
ko.
kung kita. Ang balloon.
Yeah.
Kita. Naka-record.
Yeah. Yes. Ha, nakukulab yung ba? Kinikili-reveal.
Kini-reveal. Okay. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yes, a boy. Right? See, I told you. I asked ChatGPT ko anong symptoms ng ano ng girl or boy ng na baby pag walang morning sickness. It's a boy, so wala siyang morning sickness.
It's a
Happy.
boy.
It's a boy. Papa Edgar, it's a boy. Apo na po kayong boy. Yay, love you. Baby. So, ano nang name ni baby? We will think about it.
Oh my gosh, boy!
Why?
Why lang?
It's a boy. Yay. It's a baby boy. Kailangan na magligpit. Yan.
Boy.
It's a boy.
Oh gosh, it's a boy.
It's a boy! So, before nag-gender reveal, chinek ko at inasa ChatGPT kung anong symptoms ng baby boy or baby girl. So, according sa kanya, according kay ChatGPT, pag yung mommy nabuntis, carries low, baby low in the belly means it's a boy. And then, no morning sickness or less of it. So, yung asawa ko walang morning sickness. And then, increased appetite. So, yung asawa ko palagi nakikrave ng pagkain. Kumakain even past midnight. And then, nakaka-experience siya ng fast heartbeat. And then, she has a clear skin. And then, di pa namin alam yung shape ng belly niya kasi 3 months pa lang. So, nalaman na namin yung gender ni baby because she did chromosomes something na yung dugo niya, tinest.
So, it includes
The gender.
Parang extra lang.
So, yun yung yung symptoms according kay ChatGPT. So, Papa Edgar, congratulations!
First apo na.
First apo na baby boy. First apo na boy.
Gusto niya ka-apelido niya.
So, meron ng magdala
Hindi
ng
mo
apelyido ng
ka-apelido. Ka-apelido na
So, see you very soon, baby. So, stay healthy and grow faster. So, see you after 6 months. Mommy and Daddy.
Loves you.
Love you. See you very soon. Mwah, love you. Bye-bye. See you soon. Mwah.